which are containing metals are called the metallic minerals. The minerals which contains the metals. For example, the metallic minerals. What are the metallic minerals which contain metals? That they are iron ore, manganese ore, bauxite ore, and gold, silver, copper. These all are metallic minerals. What is meant by ore? Ore is a mineral that coming from this metal is called the metals ore. That means we can get the mineral from the ore. That metal is called metals ore. A mineral from which we are taking or we get a metal is called the metals ore. So that is the ore, outside ore, and from this we can get the metal. And like this, the minerals include, from the iron ore we get iron. Then from the manganese ore we get manganese. Then from the aluminium ore or bauxite ore we get the bauxite or aluminium. Then the ores of gold, silver and copper, we get these three: gold, silver and copper metals. So the ore, iron ore, when we hear, we have to understand from that we can get the mineral. From that mineral we get that particular metal. So the minerals contain metal is called metallic mineral. And these are the metallic minerals examples. That aluminium, bauxite, manganese, and also this iron, gold, silver, copper. These all are the metals coming from different minerals, and these are called the metallic ore. Clear? And there are alloys. You will hear about the alloys. What is meant by alloys? Alloys are the two or more metals are containing in alloys. For example, bronze and steel. These are alloys. Because bronze is made of, bronze is an alloy. It is made out of copper and tin. So bronze is an alloy and it is made out of two metallic things. They are two metallic items, that are copper and tin. Bronze is made out of copper and tin, so it is called alloy. Steel also. It is also made out of two and more metals. That is the iron and other metals like nickel. Did you hear about nickels? That is also a metal. So steel is an alloy that also made out of different metals, two or more metals, that is iron metal, nickel metal, chromium metal and manganese. So in steel there are four metals included. So these bronze and alloys, bronze and steel are two different alloys. So now you understand what is meant by alloy. Okay, then there are non-metallic, where the metals are not containing in the minerals. They are non-metallic minerals. For example, the limestone. There is no metal. That you know that we made the statues like that with the limestone we can made. So there is no metal. So it is called non-metallic. The minerals which are not containing metals are called non-metallic minerals. And for example, what is the limestone? We have studied yesterday all these things. Then fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are made out of the leaves fallen from the trees and the dead remainings of the animals which are upon the earth. They will form with the passing of the years, maybe millions of years after that, it will become like fossils. And from this we will get the fuels. So it is called fossil fuels. Which are the main fossil fuels? It is not solid. Fossil fuels are not solid. These are the substances that we burn to produce heat. What are that? Coal, one of that. We burn it in order to produce heat for us, for cooking, for running vehicles. We will use this. That means coal, petroleum and natural gas. So it is not solid things. It can be gas or water like liquid form and dry form, that coal. So these fossil fuels are also there. Then mining minerals. From where we will get the minerals? We will mining. Some are upon the earth, some are digging from the earth, from the deep depth. Then some are from the layers of the earth. We can find out. These mining fuels are different types: open cast mining and shaft mining. Open cast mining is the shallow depths. That means it is not that much of depth. We can get that minerals. Upon the earth or under the earth there are different layers. Without digging the more, we can get that shallow, from the shallow depths, that little depth, we can get these minerals by removing the surface of the layers. Surface layers of the earth, we can get these minerals. So it is called open cast mining. Whereas the shaft mining is we are taking from the deep depth. This shaft mining is the minerals which are digging from the depth of the earth. That means not the shallow depth but deep depth, we can take these minerals. So it is called shaft mining. This shaft mining, we will drill with the drilling machine and go to the depth. We can get this shaft mining minerals we can get from the depth of the earth. So understood up to here? I already sent 3 videos and up to here you should be clear about it and understand it. Okay, we will see in the next class how these distribution of minerals, that different types of minerals, where can we get around different parts of the earth. During this time you have to watch around you. When you walking on the shore of the sea or on the earth, on the land, while you are walking, you can find out different minerals, pebbles, small rocks and glazing rocks, and the minerals your parents or the brothers and sisters, they were putting the bracelets and bracelets and jewel items, necklaces. They were using that, and it is made out of these things, these different types of minerals. So up to here clear? We will take the next class in the next time. Okay, try to understand, read the text 2 or 3 times, then you can understand and find out the question answers up to here. Okay, on page number 38, second part we will take in the next class. Okay, thank you everybody.